Attack mode. Why are they in attack mode? Yo, attack mode. Let's go.
Stay close.
Attack mode, guys. Why are they in attack
I don't
mode?
know. I think it's really crazy.
I never heard this in attack mode, guys. Usually they do alert. They usually do this for a nuclear fallout.
This is attack mode instead of the normal alerting mode. But no real weather in here yet. Just attack mode sirens, making things real creepy.
That's creepy.